house that like is so messy, all you want to do is just pick everything that's in it up and just throw it in the dumpster and be like, I'm done with you, I'm starting fresh. Because that's how I feel about the laundry room right now. I just went to close the door that's like in between the laundry room and the mud room because the dryer's on, it's a little loud, and I was literally crawling over stuff. And I was just like, I just want to throw this all out. Obviously I don't, because like there's important stuff in there, but we're gonna have to clean that up. So it's on the to-do list. Anyways, you're probably like, what are we doing, Kat? What are all of these things? We are about to do something that I've never done before, but I feel like it's gonna work. So I have a freshly brewed cup of coffee right here, a fully drinking Starbucks peppermint mocha, but there's like a little bit of the syrup, if you could see that at the bottom. And then some oat milk and a whisker. And I feel like this is gonna be such a great Starbucks hack if it works. It was a grande peppermint mocha made with oat milk and whipped cream. So I got the first drink, and now what we're gonna try and do is I'm gonna take my oat milk. We're gonna add the oat milk in there, just a little bit, not too much. And then take my little whisk. All right, let's put you back. Now it's really bright. This is so hard to rearrange. Okay, that's fine for a sec. This actually looks really pretty. It's not as foamy as I kind of thought it was gonna be, but it still looks foamy. That's really good. That is really good. Definitely not like as strong as the initial peppermint mocha, obviously, but that's still really good. Like if I had some whipped cream to put on top of this, I'm happy. Also, how freaking adorable is this little set? I got it from TJ Maxx. Was that cool? My sister's calling, hold on. Hello?
Okay. I'm gonna go to the TJ Maxx. You wanna come?
Like if we leave here for TJ Maxx at like 12:15 or something.
Yeah, love you, bye.
All right, love you too, bye. Okay, updated plan. We have a little less time than I thought, but it'll be fun, that's okay. Victoria, my sister, just called and said I wanna go to TJ Maxx first, and I'm never gonna say no to that. You know what I mean? But let's just make the to-do list and then we'll go from there. You want Victoria to come over? She loves when Victoria comes over. You want Victoria to come over? Yeah. I'm so excited. Are you do big stretch? Okay, I'm gonna make the to-do list now. I think this is everything. Let me show you. I mean, there's definitely gonna be more over the next couple days, but like for right now, this is kind of the preliminary list. Clean the laundry room, as we discussed earlier, and then finish some decor up in there. I wanna put myself tanner on. The bed sheets are currently in the dryer, so we'll have to remake the bed, put clean sheets on it. There are these little pumpkin bites I wanna make, and then I have some emails that I have to respond to. I am so happy right now. Yesterday, or like last night, I had ordered myself dinner, takeout for dinner, and I got a salad with a big jumbo. I ordered myself like a big jumbo pretzel with a salad and a peanut butter pie, which is freaking incredible, for dinner, and I have some leftovers and I just remembered. Cheers. All done. I did not actually finish the pie. I still have some left, and my sister, I can hear her walking up the stairs. I'm gonna see if she wants it. Do you want the rest of this chocolate pie? This is my current outfit of the day. I have my Lululemon leggings. These are like the joggers. And then how freaking adorable is this little sweater? I got it from TJ Maxx a couple years ago. Has all little snowmen on it. I am kind of hoping though that I'll find a cute set at TJ Maxx, like a 2-piece set. So we'll see. Victoria, you want to show your outfit?
No thanks. Like, I'm not wearing it like great outfit. Fixing my phone right now. Hi.
I'm so enthusiastic.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is
And just like that, it's a few days later. This morning was actually Monday morning. I had taken off of work today, and so I was very happy that I had the day to get stuff done. I started off by making the bed. Since we got a new green blanket in the living room, I ended up bringing this other green one into the bedroom, and I think it had such a cozy, warm feeling, so I'm really excited about it. And I don't know, you may or may not be able to tell, but I am sick. I've been sick for the past couple of days. I thought it was COVID. I did test. It's not COVID. I feel like my symptoms are a little bit more aligned with the flu, which is what I would imagine it is. I haven't been to the doctors, but that's kind of my guess. I've just been resting, staying very hydrated, taking my vitamins, and trying to get better as soon as possible. So all of this was filmed prior to me feeling sick. So that's kind of been my weekend, just relaxing, hanging out, trying to get better. Currently 10:11 a.m. on Monday, November 29th. I actually forgot that I'd taken today off of work. So when I realized that was like such a great feeling to be like, oh my gosh, I could just get stuff around the condo and for YouTube and TikTok and everything done today. So I was very excited about that. Ooh, also really big announcement. I'm actually going back to college. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you, or I'll tell you and show you what university I'm going to. Can you guess? The North Pole University, of course. I feel like that didn't come out as great, as funny as it did in my head. I actually said that in my head so many times. No, I'm not going back to college. If you're curious, I graduated in 2017. But how freaking adorable is this? The North Pole University, established 1909. I'm not sure if that date, what that means. If you know, let me know in the comments. And then the sweatpants also say it right here, and they're just little joggers. So freaking comfy. I got it from TJ Maxx. I would highly recommend you go to your local TJ Maxx and see if you can find it. It's so soft, so cute, and I've been wearing it nonstop. I actually should probably wash it. Anyways, so right now, as you saw, we just cleaned the bedroom. I feel like the last time that I talked to y'all was like Saturday. I don't know why I said it like that. Maybe Friday. No, I think it was Friday actually. So let's go, let me turn this off. Let's go into the living room. Actually, I'm gonna bring you with the tripod. So we have a lot of cleaning to do. This vlog is gonna actually be a lot more cleaning than I initially thought, but that's a good thing. You can kind of see in the mirror. Are you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. How nice and neat is everything? Yesterday I went shopping with my mom and sister. I got Olive Garden. This is the bag. The leftovers were in the fridge. This was my bag from at home. I'll show you what I got. I got a Christmas tree from Target, which we're gonna put up. And then some other random stuff. There's my FabFitFun box, Tim's luggage, because we had stayed at his hometown for Thanksgiving. So that still has not been put away. Coffee table has some stuff. And then baby, hi. It's the most beautiful thing in the whole wide world. Also, I should turn the Christmas lights on. I just realized that the Christmas lights aren't on. Although I do have this beautiful scene on the TV. How stunning is this? I'll link this specific one in the description. Oh, shooters! Oh, that's annoying. All right. Well, I mean, it's just water. It's more annoying that my slipper got wet, but it's just water. That's okay. This was Callie's water. See, baby, that's what happens when I bring your water literally to you, so that you don't have to go to the kitchen to drink it. But then she knows that I'm just kidding. It's not your fault. I'm the one who brought it over there. It's not your fault. You don't have to feel bad, but you also should, because she doesn't like to drink her water in the kitchen. So I bring it in the living room for her. Are you spoiled? I think you are. Right, anyways, now we got to clean that up. as well as everything else. There's a lot to clean up. My foot's all wet now. I guess I'll take these slippers off and we'll let those dry. I think I still have those black ones that like I haven't worn in forever. They're somewhere in the laundry room. All right, I'll show it to y'all so you can see what I have to go dive through right now. Are you ready? Clearly lots of Costco things to put away, lots of shoes. The laundry room itself, this is what it's looking like. Yeah, so a lot of work will have to be done in here, but that's okay. I'm gonna try and find my slippers. This is the box from the tree skirt that we put under the tree. I don't actually know. I don't think I filmed that for YouTube, but I will insert the TikTok right here that I made. I'm so freaking excited to share this with y'all. So if you saw my most recent YouTube video, I talked about how I wanted to get a tree collar because this tree skirt with the Roomba, it doesn't really work very well. I have to take it up every time, but I kind of lost hope until look what I got. It is 33 inches in diameter. Do you realize how big that is? How do I open this? And then Tim and I were at Costco the other day and we were literally checking out. And I literally ran over to it and I was like, Tim, look, it's 33 inches. And he's like, that's awesome, get it. And oh gosh, it's heavy. And it's 2 pieces, so it's not like I have to like pick the tree up to get it in. And to be honest, I'd kind of given up hope that I was gonna find one that was big enough because it is surprisingly very difficult to find a tree collar that is at least 32 inches in diameter. I was not prepared for how hard that was going to be to find. So when I found this one, I was so darn excited. It was $50 at Costco, which is like half of anything else that I was finding. And not only do I love it because of how beautiful and stunning it looks, I just feel like it makes the tree look so neat and put together and just so stunning, but it's also really practical because like I said, I recently got a Roomba and I was having to like remove the Christmas tree skirt every time I turned it on, which obviously isn't a huge deal, but it's just way more convenient and nice to have this. And I love the way that it looks. And if you're curious, that wooden present I have under the tree I got from Home Goods a couple years ago. I keep some extra coasters in there and I love the way that it looks. Did you like it? So this is the box, so I have to recycle that. Let me get my slippers. I got one. I'm so glad that I didn't get rid of these when I got my new slippers. Okay, we still have slippers. Oh, we never crossed off that we did the bed sheets. Today's quote of the video is a little variation of one of my absolute favorite quotes that I've shared with y'all a handful of times, and the quote is, "Being happy doesn't mean that everything is perfect. It means that you've decided to look beyond the imperfections." And I do want to stress that this is not saying that you should be happy all the time, because no one is happy all the time, and there are bigger battles and hardships that we go through in life. But with that, I want you to remember that there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. And this quote resonates with me more so for those little minor inconveniences and annoyances that may happen throughout your day that tend to get you down. And for those cases where things happen that put you in a bad mood, but in the grand scheme of things, they're really not that big of a deal, I hold this quote so near and dear to my heart, because it reminds me that I can still be happy and have little minor annoying things happen, because I could get in my car and say, oh my gosh, my entire day is ruined. I don't have gas. I'm gonna have to stop at the gas station before I go where I'm going. Or I could say, okay, yeah, I didn't get gas yesterday. That's not a big deal. I'll run and get it and it'll be quick and over with, and not let that, consume me and set the tone for the rest of the day. So I hope that this quote can help you in those situations where little things that happen that really don't mean that much, but they are annoying or difficult or hard or upsetting in the moment, but you can look past them and appreciate the good that you have and understand that they are just temporary and that good is to come. I remember during the fall season seeing this and being like, ooh, I want to get it, but it was $20 from At Home, and I was like, that's just too much for a pumpkin. I don't know, I didn't feel like spending it. It was 50% off, so I got it for next year. So it was $20, but I paid $10 for it. How stunning is this? It's like real glass. This like whole stem is just stunning. I already know that next year me is gonna be so happy when I pull this out. So I'm gonna put that in storage. It's getting actually kind of hot. I think I want to open the door. heat off. But it's like, I may actually take this off, to be honest, because I am getting a little warm. How does this look? I still wanted to match like my slippers, so I put on a little black crop top because I am getting hot. So this is now the outfit. Also, how adorable are these? I got them from Target yesterday. They're like little ball toys. Oh, Tim put that one on good. Okay, that'll stay there. But they're supposed to be little ornaments. Do you want your ball? No, you're not in the mood. She's like, I'm tired. She was very excited about them yesterday. Okay, you keep napping.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
So I'm not gonna lie, I was unbelievably overwhelmed with the laundry room, so I decided just to do a before and after shot and kind of like focus and get it cleaned without filming myself. But I'm so happy with how it turned out and that it's clean. And then here I am restocking the shelf that Tim installed. I had some extra toothpaste, some tissues, some toilet paper you'll see that we had because we had gone to Costco, so I was kind of reloading it up. I absolutely love this. I'm so grateful for it. And as you can see, we put that new contact paper on it, which I absolutely love. I do have two little handles that we were originally going to put on in this video, but I don't know that we're going to end up getting to it. Like I said, I did get sick and it just kind of fell to the back end, but that's okay. We'll do it in an upcoming video. I'm still so happy with how the laundry room is looking, and I'm very grateful that I have all this extra space to store things. So happy we finally did this. We're gonna put these up later. How cute are they? I got them from Amazon and they like match the same color as this, so I think that'll look really pretty, but we're gonna do that later. And for right now, we can check off that we cleaned the office or the laundry room. Also, yes, that's another load of laundry running. Hello. It's been like a couple of hours. I'm not actually sure the last time that we vlogged, but it is currently 3:49 p.m. Here's my lipstick. I don't typically wear red lipstick, but I got this in my FabFitFun box by the brand Hourglass. Can you see that? And I just wanted to try it on and I actually really like it. What do we think? Anyways, I've just been sitting here with Cal folding some laundry. I have it all folded now. We just have to put it away. And I'm watching a Hulu Christmas type of movie.